Welcome to Accounting Simpler. Today, we are going to have a look at the 6 subsidiary books used in accounting. This is where first records of transactions are kept before they are posted to the ledger. Note that subsidiary books are also known as journals or books of prime entry. Think of them as specialized diaries for your business. This is because transactions are recorded in the subsidiary books on a daily basis. First, the sales journal. The sales journal is also known as the sales day book. It is used to record daily credit sales. Information for recording in sales journal is obtained from sales invoices issued to credit customers. This is how the sales journal looks like. Next, the purchaser's journal. The purchaser's journal is also known as the purchaser's day book. This is where the daily purchase of goods on credit is recorded. The purchaser's invoice received from credit suppliers serve as source of information for the purchaser's journal. This is an example of the purchaser's journal. What happens when credit customers return goods? That goes into the sales returns journal on a daily basis. The sales returns journal is also known as sales returns day book or returns inwards day book or returns inwards journal. Information for the sales returns journal is obtained from credit notes issued to credit customers when they return goods. This is what a sales returns journal looks like. And if you return goods to your credit supplier, then it is the purchaser's returns journal on a daily basis. The purchaser's returns journal is also known as purchaser's returns day book or returns outwards day book or returns outwards journal. Credit notes received from credit suppliers when we return goods to them provide information for the purchaser's returns journal. Here is an example of the purchaser's returns journal. For all cash and bank transactions, like receipts and payments, the cash book is used. The cash book, therefore, records daily receipts of cash and payments in cash and daily receipts of checks and payments by checks. Information for the cash book is obtained from checks, counterfoils, and receipts. Finally, there's the general journal. This is the catch-all for everything else, like opening and closing balances, buying of a non-current asset on credit, correction of errors, writing off irrecoverable debts, allowance for doubtful debts, provision for depreciation, and other end-of-year adjustments. Here is a sample of the cash book. Thank you.